Hello everyone, it's April Garwood from Banana Moon Studio. In this video I'll be showing you how to crochet the arched lace stitch, which you can see in this crochet bookmark. That's a free pattern on my website. You'll find the link to that in the description. But I'm going to show you how to do that stitch pattern today. First, we're going to start out by chaining a multiple of 8 stitches. I have chained 24 stitches. That's a multiple of 8, and then I need to add 2 more. Now that I have my foundation chain complete, I am going to single crochet in the second chain for my hook. So the loop on my hook is not a chain. Under my, or right at the end of my left thumb is my first chain. Here is my second. I'm going to go under both the front and back loops. Then I'll yarn over, pull through, and yarn over and through 2 loops. That's single crochet. And I'm going to repeat that in the next chain. Then I will chain 5. I'm going to skip the next 5 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then this is my next one. I'll go under front and back loops and single crochet there, and in the next 2 chains as well. So a set of 3 single crochet stitches, one right after the other here. Then I'm going to repeat that process across. So I'll chain 5, skip the next 5 chains, single crochet in the next 3. Chain 5 again. We'll skip 5. Now I only have 2 chains left. At that point, I'm going to single crochet in the last 2 chains. And then I will turn my work. To begin row 2, we chain 1, and we'll single crochet in the first stitch under both loops of it. Then we'll chain 3, skip this stitch that's under my left thumb, and then I'm going to put 3 double crochet stitches in the center of this chain 5 space. So I don't want to spread them out evenly across. I want to try to group them in the center. There's my 3 double crochet stitches. Then we're going to skip the stitch here, chain 3, skip the stitch here, and then single crochet in the next stitch. So that is, we're going to place a single crochet in the center of these 3 stitches, going under both loops of it. Then we will chain 3, skip this stitch by my left thumb, 3 double crochets in the center of the chain 5 space, chain 3. We're going to single crochet in the center of these 3 stitches, chain 3, 3 double crochets in the center of our chain 5 space, chain 3, and when we've gotten back to our last 2 stitches, we're going to skip the first one and place a single crochet in the last stitch. And then we'll turn our work. Row 3, we're going to chain 6. Now, when we have our stitch counts at the end of our rows, this chain 6 is going to count as a treble stitch plus a chain 2 space. We're going to skip this first stitch and then single crochet in each of these 3 double crochet stitches. We will then chain 5. We're going to skip this stitch, and then we are going to single crochet in these 3, in the next group of 3 double crochet stitches, 1 in each stitch. Then we'll chain 5. We're going to skip the single crochet and we'll stitch into each of these 3 double crochets, 1 single crochet stitch in each one. And that was my last set of 3 double crochet stitches. So at this point, I am going to chain 2 and treble into the last stitch. When we treble, we yarn over twice, then go into the stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over through 2 loops, yarn over and through 2 loops, and yarn over and through 2 loops. Then we'll turn our work. For row 4, we will chain 3, and that's going to count as a double crochet stitch. We'll skip the first stitch, and we're going to double crochet in the first chain space, and I want to put it on the right side of that space, right next to my turning chain. So it looks like I have 2 double crochet stitches right together. Then I will chain 3. I'm going to skip the first of these 3 single crochet stitches and single crochet into the middle one. Then I will chain 3, skip this single crochet stitch, and I'm going to put my group of 3 double crochet stitches in the center of this chain 5 space. Chain 3, and then I will single crochet in the center of these 3 single crochet stitches, chain 3, and then I'll be placing 3 double crochet stitches in the center of this chain 5 space, and then I will chain 3, and I will single crochet in the center of these 3 stitches, and then I will chain 3, and we are to our final chain space and turning chain. For that, we want to mirror what we have on this side, where we have like these 2 this turning chain that's counting as a double in the top of our turning chain, and this double crochet just to the side of it. So the way we're going to do that is we're going to double crochet in this chain space kind of over the second chain from where we are now. And then in the third chain going out this way from where we were working, or the fourth chain counting up from the bottom, because that would be like the top of a treble stitch if we actually had one here. That's where we're going to place our next double crochet stitch, actually in that chain, not just in the space. So that way we have mirrored what we have on the right side. Okay, for row 5, we will chain 1, single crochet in the first 2 stitches, then we will chain 5, skip this single crochet stitch here, and we will single crochet in each of the 3 double crochet stitches. Chain 5, skip this 1 single crochet, and single crochet in the 3 double crochet stitches. Chain 5, skip the 1 single crochet down here, and single crochet. Now we're to our very end, so we only have the 2 double crochet stitches on the end. We'll single crochet into each one of those. And remember, our turning chain here is going to count as a double crochet stitch, so we're just going to single crochet into the very top chain of that. That gets us through row 5. So here is what our piece is looking like. You will repeat rows 2 through 5 as you continue. So we're not going to repeat exactly how we did row 1 at this point, because row 5 was actually a lot like row 1. So your very next row is going to be like row 2, which is with the 1 single crochet stitch here, the 3 doubles, 1 single, 3 doubles. So you'll repeat rows 2 through 5 for that pattern. So that is how you crochet the arched lace stitch. Be sure, like I said, and check the description for the link for the free bookmark pattern, and please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great day. Bye.